I'm up at the dump again. I haven't been here long. I got this. It says the Jamocha Company, Birmingham, Alabama, and some other bottles there. But I just raked out my first keeper. It's actually good. It's a nice little inkwell. It's a cool one. I'm hitting a good layer back in here. Hopefully I can find something good later. Alright, I'm back. This is my first good marble. A lot of these marbles I've only dug in the past alley agates and marble kings on factory dump sites, and I haven't found this many marbles on a dump for years. I'm finding them every trip, and a lot of them are handmade, and they have the little nipples on them where they were trimmed off. They're called transitionals. I'll have to read more about them to put up more information, but I've got tons of them, tons of snipped off ones, and I think this is another handmade one. It's that real pretty blue with white swirls to it, and it's just absolutely perfect, and it's really nice. It's a beautiful antique marble. Happy to get it for my collection. I've got a bunch of them this year. Later. Yeah, folks, I'm still at the dump. Haven't been finding much. I've been digging a bunch. Found that marble like a half hour ago, and I've just found like average stuff, like dollar bottle cents. But I just pulled out way back in there, started raking. Got a Gordon's Dry Gin, London. Look at this. It's aqua glass. It's embossed all over it. It says REC 610 617. It's embossed like with a seal thing on the bottom. Look how old this. England, London, England. And then Gordon's Dry Gin, and it's aqua glass, folks. Wow, this is very nice and very old. Very nice bottle. Very nice. Worth the trip. For me, anyway. I don't have this. That's nice. Later, fake. There's another whole bottle. I probably won't take that, just a brown. But man, I'm finding cool stuff. Look at this bottle. I found this before, but surely not this one. It says Dr. Ellis, and look at the bottle. Look at all the texturing, like spider webbing on it. Quick dry waving fluid, wave set, Dr. Ellis Sales Company Incorporated, distributors, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Content 6 fluid ounces. But wait till you see the other side. Made in USA. And look at this. It's got a graphic with a comb going in the bottle, and it says dip the comb in the bottle. This is awesome. Wow, this is nice. I have a cap to fit it too, like a Bakelite looking one. Very cool find. And that gin bottle right out of this hole. Good finds, folks. Later. Alright, see that big cork neck sticking out of the wall right there at the tip of my finger, and below it looks like a broken crock. I'll get that out and I'll show you what it is. There's another big bottle up there. I'm in a good layer down here. Later. I'll see if I can, that was a broken crock. I reached in there, and this feels good. It feels like it has a lot of pressure. See, there's an old prescription bottle. There's a big one there. That's screw top. This one's cool. I got coming out. There's another bottle right there too, some kind of square thing. This bottle's just thick in here. But this looks like a nice bottle if I can get it out. I don't want to pull on it too much to break it. Ooh. It's a cork. Let me get it up here. Alright, here's what it was. It doesn't look like it's embossed, but man, it's an old cork top. It's kind of a unique shaped one. Nothing on it there. It's just slick. Later. Alright, I just got a cool bottle, but I found this a minute ago. Excuse me. It's a cork top, and on the bottom it says liquid veneer. That's nice. I'm going to take it. It's a thicker one. It's nice. But right over here, check out this wine bottle. It says Freed Industries, and it's got a big seal on it with like a lion. Freed Industries wine. Here you can see the seal. It's got some embossing on the back. That's kind of cool. I'm taking it. Later, fake. Alright, I just raked this out. This is a Marble King Spider-Man patch and ribbon. You can see there. Not bad. Later. Alright, I'm back after that Spider-Man. I just found this, and I think this, you can see there's like panel marks on this. I think this is another hand-dipped one. It's yellow. It's kind of off center. I think it's a handmade marble. Later. Alright, do you see it? I haven't been finding much, but this area I found lots of old stuff. And look at this blue bottle. I don't know if this is a beer or what, but it says Crystal Rock. And it's aqua glass. And then it says Sandusky O for Sandusky, Ohio. You can see there, that's a beautiful, flawless condition bottle that I've never heard of. Crystal Rock. And it's colored. Wow. I love it. I really like it. You know, that's a crown top, but that's got some age to it. It's 100 years old. Later. Alright, you can see I was digging up air, but I've been moving around to try to find different stuff, and I got, look here in my hole. Well, I found these few things. Found this mason. Found a Sistersville cola bottle. It says Sistersville on it. A Pertussin bottle, a broken milk neck. It says 3 cents on it. I'm not taking it, but look here. It's got a real weird mark on it there. You can see. I'm not sure if that's a 9 or a 6. But it's a ball blue, and it's real beautiful. Nice find. Later. Alright, I'm back. I'm raking over in here. Haven't been finding much, not many marbles today, only a couple. But I got a few nice bottles, but man, I needed this. You see it down there? A huge sterling silver fork. And it's heavy. It's a big one. Look at it. You can just tell it's sterling. Look. It's really nice. When they pop out looking like that, man, folks, it's all marked up. It's nice. It's heavy. That's a lot of silver. Alright, well this is about all I can handle today. My hands and back are hurting. They're getting sore. I've been digging a lot, but you can see what I got here. Pretty successful day. I like this blue bottle, Crystal Rock. I've never seen it. Sandusky, Ohio. It's old. Nice ball blue mason. Got that Fruit Industries wine. That's kind of cool. My favorite find though is the blue old Gordon's wine. This is just, or dry gin. This is awesome. It's a light blue tint, and it's cork, and it's just perfect. It says London, England. It's really nice. I love it. Well, anyway, folks, pretty successful day again. I got lots of blue glass and stuff. That one's textured, and I got these marbles. There's a Spider-Man in there. You can see it. Patch and ribbon, and a couple that might be handmade. One of them's for sure a Christensen. So you can't beat that. There's an old Pepsi. Did all right. Look at all the bottles. I've dug holes everywhere. Later. Alright, I found a few marbles today, and I had my dad sort these out. Here's a bunch of the marbles I found sorted from this year. After looking at a book, we've discovered that I didn't know a lot about Christensen agates. Lots of these are Christensen agates. There's lots of them. And they have the, like, panel marks on them. They're early glass marbles. Like, here's a big Christensen brick marble. You can see the panel right there on the end where it's been snipped off. Lots of these have that. There's handmade ones in here. And there's these other Christensens. You can see here, right here's a Christensen. There's lots of solid color Christensen handmades in here, and they have panel marks on them where they've been snipped off. There's lots of them, and these are pretty valuable. Like this brick marble was valued at $60 in the book I have. So I'm doing all right. These ones fluoresce up here under a black light. A lot of these do. But there's lots of cool marbles. There's a blended Spider-Man. There's the Spider-Man from today. Right here's another Christensen. It has a panel mark. These are Christensens. There's some hand dipped ones. I've done good. And here's this real nice one from, check out this handmade one. It has a snipped off mark on it where they cut it off. There's a Popeye. Just big variety of marbles. Well, anyway, I'll get back at you on my next time. Later. Watch this. He just loves his banana. Look at this good boy. Are you eating a banana, Squirrel Man? You love it. You love it, huh? Look at these little hands. Get it? Give you a better shot of him. Look how big and bushy his tail is. You ate it all, Squirrel Man? Look here. I think I have some more. Look here, buddy. Hey, Squirrel Man. Look here. I think he'd eat a whole banana at once. He loves it so much. Look at him. Say, I love it. Say, I love bananas. Say, you love bananas, Squirrel Man. What's going on there, buddy? Well, anyway, folks, Squirrel Man's doing good. Later.